Hi everybody. So today's the day. We got the delivery, and it is the MetaQuest Pro, which we will support as well with our HEGIAS app. So we're really excited to try this out. Okay. Looks like. The package looks like the one from the leaked video, so seems legit. So with our HEGIAS knife, we'll try to open it. Oh, it doesn't need it though, but okay. Okay, smells good. So we have the new controllers without the ring, so it's magnetic, nice. And we have the glasses here. Ooh, it's really light, so it feels much lighter. It doesn't have the cover. You have to buy it additionally. So I think they're focusing heavily on the mixed reality. So you can switch between AR and VR. So I think this is a big advantage for all the salespeople who don't want to lose contact to the user. So the user sees yourself or see the salesperson, and yeah, with the color pass-through. So the cameras are not black and white, but color. So this is really a nice addition. So we don't have this band anymore over the head, so your hair doesn't get destroyed. So if you have nice hair, this is something good as well. So I will try it on for the first time. Okay, so you can adjust it on the back, and so okay, so it feels comfortable. So the weight is on the back and also on the front of your head, but I think the hair looks good, hopefully.
Perfect.
So yeah, it's quite nice. So I'm looking forward to test it. The controllers feel really well built, and they have cameras as well, so you can move them anywhere. So the tracking is not from the camera to the controllers, but they're independent. So looking forward to test those as well. Right. So
Former headsets. Let me see them.
cool.
Do we need to add this?
Yes. So we can add the face cover as well to. Oh, it's not in here though. This is the charging.
Mobile charging.
Yes. So you can just put your device there and it will charge automatically. Ah, here is maybe the face mask, isn't it? No.
It's a protection cover.
Yeah, it's a protection.
Nice. So let's plug in.
Already? Okay.
No, maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe in the next video. To be continued.